Hello everyone, welcome back to channel The Novel Trading. I'm Urvana Kapur, your trading psychologist and performance coach. You must be intrigued by the topic today, that is lazy trading is good. You must be thinking, how can that be possible? A trader is supposed to be trading most of the time, right? How can they be lazy? Why do you think that lazy is not good? It is because a human mind always relates action with results. For us, if we do more activity, we'll make more money, right? For example, a person doing a double shift in a factory will make more money than a single shift doing worker, right? Also, a person working 8 hours a day full time will get a better salary than a person working for 4 hours part time. We have seen this happening in mostly all the professions. And so it is quite obvious to think that more trading means more earning. But this is not true in trading as a profession. In this video, I'll discuss various reasons as why lazy trading is a good idea and how can you secure your capital and also your profits with this simple and lazy method. Do watch this video till the end as I'll be sharing a lot of interesting psychological facts which can make you a more profitable trader. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting videos on trading psychology and mindset. So let's start this video. The first and the foremost reason why I am saying lazy trading is good is because of the psychological phenomena decision fatigue. It means that the quality of your decision will drop after a series of constant decisions. The main logic behind this is that for every decision that we make, we utilize some part of our body and brain energy, and our energy is limited for the day. So once we utilize a part of it, we have less energy left for the next decision. Once our energy is reduced to a certain level, it gets harder to take rational and practical decisions, and instead, we start taking emotional decisions. See, every person's optimal level is different. So, this is something that you need to observe for yourself that after how many decisions in a day do you feel drained out? See, trading may not require any physical activity, but it requires a lot of cognitive processing. And it is important for you to understand that humans don't only get physical fatigue, they have mental fatigue as well. Just because you are sitting on a chair and only staring at a screen doesn't mean you can do that all day. While trading, your body may not be moving, but your brain is working at a multiple level and it has its limit to function too. When you are physically drained, don't you decide to take rest? If you have worked for 8 hours a day, you just need a good night's sleep. Why? Because physically you have drained yourself. Similarly, respect your mental functioning level as well. Stop working once you realize you have reached your limit. Just like physical fatigue, mental fatigue gives its signal too. When you're physically fatigued, you feel feverish, you feel tired, you feel body ache. There are so many signals that you get when you're physically fatigued. Similarly, when you are mentally fatigued, the body gives you the signals too. Like you start getting confused. You're not able to take decisions quickly. You are very distracted, you're irritable, and you're way too emotional at that time. If you feel any of these signals from your body, it is time for you to realize that you are mentally exhausted. And it is time to take rest and respect the functional limit of your brain as well. As a trader, you must have observed that sometimes 5 trades a day are very profitable, and sometimes even 20 trades in a day only get you a break even or sometimes losses as well. Try understanding that every trading decision you make based on your defined rules and setups require a lot of processing and energy consumption. Not only taking the decisions of taking trades, but also the process of taking the trades, waiting for the decision, and then executing the exit trades. These are so many energy consumption processes. These are so many energy consumption steps, and you have to understand that they all take a lot of energy out of you. Hence, after every trade, your ability to follow your trading setup and take rational decisions based on your defined rules get really difficult, and it starts depleting after every decision you make. Many traders argue with me that more trades a day will make us more profitable. But when we discuss those trades in my session, half of the latter trades they took that day are not part of their defined system. In trading, you'll be profitable only if you're consistent with your rules and your trading setup. And to be able to make correct decisions, you require a lot of energy. Understand this particular concept. So, whenever you feel drained out or overwhelmed or feel any emotion inside your head, or when you are excited for your result as well, it is time to sit back and stop trading for that. You are mentally exhausted for that day. You have to accept it and give your brain the proper rest it requires so that it can start making rational decisions and make you a consistent trader. Coming on to the second reason, which I call the baggage of previous trades. As a trader, whenever you're taking a trade, that trade, your decision, your result, everything is going to have some or the other impact on the next trade. You must have observed yourself as well while trading. Let's take an example for you to understand this baggage of previous trades better. Let's say you had a 3 consecutive losing trades. Either you will be demotivated and not have enough confidence to take the next trade, or sometimes you might be revengeful and take bigger positions to recover the loss of previous 3 trades, right? Both these decisions are emotions. If you noticed, both these decisions are based on your emotions. One is of lack of confidence, the other is of revenge. On the other hand, if you have 3 profitable trades, you get overconfident and enter into every trade that you come across. Even if it is a low probability trade, or sometimes not even a part of your setup, or even you start taking bigger lot sizes. So as a trader, it gets very difficult to take every trade as a new one. You tend to have a positive or a negative baggage on the next trade. So when you take too many trades in a day, then most of the trades at the end of the day are not rational or rule based. They are mostly emotionally driven, sometimes out of confidence, sometimes out of regret, sometimes out of fear, sometimes out of greed as well. Your previous trades are the source of these emotions, but the result of your future trades are affected by them. So, to become a professional trader, don't think that too many trades will make me profitable. Instead, be smart and define a number for yourself and make sure you stick to it. Observe yourself that after how many trades do you feel drained out and are not able to take quick decisions. That is your golden number. For example, if you define that I'll take 5 trades in a day, then stick to it, regardless of the results of those trades, regardless of how much time is left for the trading day, regardless of your P&L. If you define 5, then stick to that figure and remind yourself that any decision that I take after this is going to be irrational and will be bad for my capital, my profits, and everything, and also bad for my trading career. And thus, I'm not going to trade anymore today. You have to remind yourself, because you will be allured by the market every now and then. But you have to remember this, that you have a mental fatigue limit as well. And once you realize I have been mentally exhausted for today, you have to stop trading. Don't let the baggage of your previous trades affect you as a trader. Take a break. You have ample opportunities. You have ample days of trading left with you. Get back to it on the next day and start with a more energetic body and a more energetic brain. I know as a trader, it is very hard for you to convince yourself to be lazy because of our standard belief that our trading profits only comes from taking as much trade as possible. But remember, you must have heard all your trainers or mentors saying this thing to you, that trading edge is true only if you take high probability trades and follow your setup and rules consistently in every trade. You can't miss the setup or the rules even for one single trade. It will just mess up with your statistics. Your winning ratio is going to change, your profit ratio is going to change, everything is going to change, even if you don't take one trade that is based on your setup. So it's very important to stick to it. And the best way to stick to it is by defining yourself how many trades are good enough for you every day. Don't exceed that. See, when you have decision fatigue or baggage of previous trades, then your ability to follow your system reduces. And you end up taking low probability trades or even wrong trades, which don't follow your trading rules. And that is going to mess up with you as a trader, your statistics, your everything. These wrong trades not only affect your P&L, but also your confidence on that setup. Because you start doubting whether the setup is working or not. It is not the setup is not working. It is because you are not taking the decisions based on the setup. You start getting distracted a lot and you end up blowing your account. And I've seen a lot of traders have stopped trading as well because of this, because they don't have the confidence anymore. So to become a consistently profitable trader, you have to be lazy and define yourself how many trades are good enough for you based on your setup. Once you're done with them, you are free. It can be anything. It can be 5. If you are a scalper, you can do 20 trades a day. If you are an intraday trader, you can do 5 trades a day. The number can be anything, but it has to be based on your mental level. See, every setup requires different level of processing. If you have a complex setup, then you can take only fewer trades. If you have a simpler setup, you can take multiple trades. I can't define for you right now how many trades you should take. It is you who has to decide, you who has to observe yourself. How many trades are good enough? Once you're done with them, you are free to do anything you want for that day. Do back testing, study more, watch more videos, revise your setup. Most important thing, as you must have heard me saying, do journaling for your trade. Observe your trades, write down, make an Excel sheet for yourself, write your comments on it, why you took that trade, what made you take those decisions. Or you can do anything, but don't take any trades after you have reached that limit of yours. With this, we come to the end of the session. I hope you liked the video. Do press the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Please mention your feedback regarding this video in the comment box. Also, if you have any questions or facing any psychological issues while trading, do comment or WhatsApp me at 9999494844. I hope this video was beneficial to you. Do share it with your fellow traders as well. To know more about trading psychology and the mindset of successful traders, and also the technical analysis, do subscribe to this channel, The Novel Trading, and hit the bell icon for latest updates of our upcoming video. Thanks for listening. Goodbye and happy trading.